some people, EBV transforms from a silent squatter to an active disruptor, causing conditions that range from the inconvenient to the severe. It's the culprit behind mononucleosis, also known as the kissing disease, and can even escalate to more serious conditions like viral meningitis or pneumonia. These potential health issues highlight EBV's dual nature, a common yet complex virus that can lie dormant or stir up trouble in the body. EBV is more common than you might think, and its impact can range from mild to severe. While many with EBV show no symptoms, for some, the virus can lead to serious health conditions. Epstein-Barr virus, known as EBV, is a common virus, yet it's capable of causing a wide range of health conditions. Most people infected with EBV remain healthy without any symptoms, but for some, it can lead to conditions as mild as mononucleosis or as severe as certain types of cancer.